and cut a hole in it.
Will you?
Yes.
Will you really?
Yes, yes I will.
Are you sure?
Yes. Can I help you?
I need a cup of tea and 2 sugars, please.
Sorry, we're all out.
Why?
Because I already drank it all.
Drink all the tea?
Yes.
You don't even drink tea.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Since when?
I've always drank tea. Just
Okay.
not very often.
I like tea with honey. Honey.
I like lemon tea.
Nice ear.
Thanks.
Gross. That was disgusting.
I farted too.
Did you really?
Yep.
You need a cork to put in your face and your butt.
Do I now?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Where's your face?
Oh,
Where
that was
are
a good
you?
stretch.
There it is.
That was a good stretch.
I couldn't find your face.
I noticed.
I had to find it with my hand.
Did you know?
Mm-hmm.
How come I'm the only one in this video?
Because I'm not in any video.
Well, that's why I didn't put you in my videos. Why are you putting me in yours?
I don't know.
Penis.
I put you in all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, I know you do. Just I usually don't know it.
Yes, you do.
Oh, my back.
Getting old.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go quick, Grandpa.
Plus, it's past my bedtime.
Yeah, what time is it? Probably like 10 o'clock maybe?
No.
Oh, it's 9:30. It's way past your bedtime.
Mm-hmm.
Your bedtime's like 6:30.
Mm-hmm.
Good night, Grandpa. Can't even see ya.